You are standing on a rock in space. Not just any rock, Earth, 4.5 billion years ago. It's a violent, molten sphere bombarded by asteroids, wrapped in toxic gases, and utterly lifeless. But within this chaos, the ingredients for life are quietly assembling. Lightning strikes, volcanic heat, and mineral-rich water create the perfect storm for chemistry to evolve into biology. This is the beginning of life, not with cells or creatures, but with molecules. The earliest building blocks of life were biomolecules, carbohydrates, lipids, proteins, and nucleic acids. Carbohydrates provided quick energy, lipids formed protective barriers and stored energy, proteins became the workers and builders, and nucleic acids stored information. These molecules didn't just float aimlessly, they began to interact. Some formed membranes, others folded into complex shapes. And among them emerged enzymes, specialized proteins that could speed up chemical reactions. Enzymes were the spark that turned random chemistry into organized metabolism. Without them, life would have remained a sluggish soup of potential. Eventually, these molecules organized into cells, the smallest unit of life. The first cells were prokaryotes, simple, nucleus-free organisms like bacteria. They were ancient, resilient, and still exist today. Over time, more complex cells evolved, eukaryotes, which contain a nucleus and specialized organelles. These organelles act like tiny machines inside the cell. The nucleus stores DNA, mitochondria produce energy, ribosomes build proteins, and the Golgi apparatus packages and ships them. Each organelle has a role, and enzymes are the workers that keep everything running smoothly. DNA, the blueprint of life, is stored in the nucleus. It's made of 4 bases, adenine, thymine, cytosine, and guanine, that pair up to form a double helix. DNA contains genes, which are instructions for making proteins. Through transcription, DNA is copied into RNA. Through translation, RNA is read by ribosomes to build proteins. This process, DNA to RNA to protein, is known as the central dogma of biology. Zooming out, life is organized in a hierarchy from smallest to largest. At the base are atoms, the fundamental units of matter. Atoms combine to form molecules, which join to create macromolecules like proteins and DNA. These macromolecules make up organelles, which live inside cells. Cells group together to form tissues, such as muscle or skin. Tissues build organs, like the heart or lungs. Organs work together in systems, digestive, nervous, circulatory, to keep the organism alive. Organisms form populations, groups of the same species living together. Populations interact with other species to form communities. Communities plus their environment create ecosystems. And all ecosystems on Earth make up the biosphere.